Malapit lang naman sila sa market kaya naglakad lang kami. Hello. Hello. Magandang araw mga kabayan. Ngayon nga pala, Sabado. Weekend na naman. Ang bala ko, pumasyal doon kila Onek. Lumipat daw kasi siya ng bahay. Yun daw kasi nga dating inuupahan niya. Dahil nga tag-ulan ngayon, laging baha. Kaya lumipat daw siya. Malapit daw doon sa church nila eh. Hindi ko alam kung saan, pero sabi niya basta daw doon lang sa area na yun. Kaya punta na ako ngayon. Paglabas ko ng gate namin, nakita ko doon sa may airport, mayroon na namang mga nagsasayaw-sayaw. Kaya nilapitan ko. At ito naman, nung papunta na ako doon kila Onek, ipakita ko sa inyo yung paligid. Hello, Onek. At dito na yung kila Onek, yung sementado yung bakod. Yan. Maliit lang naman yung kwarto niya, oh. Pero pang isang tao, okay na nga naman dito. Yan, ganyan lang. Meron din siyang kulambo. Dahil kailangan niyan dito eh. Dito na nga pala yung bagong inuupahan ni Onek. Hello, Onek.
Yes, Vito.
So this your new house now, ah?
Yeah, this is my new location.
But this one is good.
Yeah,
I can see it's very
good
nice already.
for me single now.
No need for
Exactly.
very big compound, right?
Yes, yeah, because I'm alone here. My family are already in Uganda. That's why I decided to find this small place which can accommodate me.
Yeah, you're lucky that you find this place, huh?
Yeah, the compound is good.
But it's very near your
And it's quiet.
near
Yeah,
your
also
church.
the church, yes.
You said you didn't know this one. You just
I just decided to
you walk here
I
or
because I decided already to shift from my place. Now I started moving around to look for the house. This is the first compound I came in, and immediately I got accommodation here.
It's good, eh? It's
a good
really for
place.
you.
Quiet. God has planned it for me to be here.
And how much you are renting here?
$60.
$60.
Yeah, it's roughly 300,000 SSB. It's
But
good
it's
because
okay.
I have power. It's good because just with the other one, it's a difference of 100,000. So the other one is 200,000. This one is 300.
But that one, the compound
The
is
compound is flooded.
flooded, huh?
Yes. So if it rains, even sometimes when I'm away, I'm afraid of going home. You'll hear frogs everywhere.
Frogs everywhere. When raining.
Frogs are my neighbors. And here, nothing. At least I have peace of mind. And also here, you see the fence, okay? Wall fence.
I saw it's secured.
Yes. Even when I'm traveling for vacation, I lock
You
my
can
door
just close this one.
and go. But there, if I'm going, I need first to bring somebody to stay in my house there. Because sometimes the tips can break in a lot of things.
Okay, Onek.
Mm.
Ah.
Yeah, it's good. How did you see the
Congrats to
compound?
your
How's the
new
compound?
house. It's good. I can say it's good.
Yeah,
Mm.
it's good.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Inabot na ako ng tanghalian, kaya inaya na ako ni Onek na kumain sa labas. Pero bago kami umalis, dumaan muna kami doon sa may kapitbahay nila. Ipinakita niya sa akin yung mga unggoy nung kapitbahay nila.
They are not wild. Monkey.
They don't bite?
It's friendly, yeah?
Ah. Meron pang isa dito, mas malaki to. They don't bite, ha? Meron silang mga unggoy dito, oh. Ayan, oh. Tatlo.
This one is friendly, yeah?
Mga nakatali pala, mga nakatali. Nandito sila sa puno ng atis.
This one look very stubborn.
Malapit lang naman sila sa market, kaya naglakad lang kami. Hello. Hello. Ito nga palang lugar na to, kumbaga sa atin, parang bus station. Pero dito, ang karaniwang ginagamit nila mga Land Cruiser. Isa daw ito sa mga bising lugar dito sa Rumbek. Dahil nga kahit gabi, merong mga dumarating na sasakyan galing sa mga malalayong lugar. Kaya lagi daw maraming tao dito. At dito naman, dito yung lugar ng mga tabi-tabi, yung mga restaurant. Maraming mga restaurant dito. Mapapansin nyo sa paligid. Karamihan sa mga pwesto na yan, restaurant. Mga maliliit na restaurant lang. Pero hindi kami dito kumain. Doon ako inaya ni Onek sa may Ethiopian restaurant. Malapit lang din dito. Dito daw siya madalas kumain sa restaurant na to. Restaurants there along the road, very crowded. Very crowded and it looks dirty.
No hygiene.
You can see in front of the restaurant.
Yes,
Very dirty. Here at least.
Yeah, it's okay.
It's okay.
And those people not to cook. Because in their restaurant here, most of the Ethiopian, the Arabs, they eat here.
They eat here.
I see like maybe they have also coffee. We'll take
I
coffee.
can see from there.
We'll take coffee also because the weather is good.
Ayan yung pagkain namin ngayon. Yan yung Ethiopian food, injera.
At some point, Jera.
Kain tayo mga kabayan. Ito nga palang pagkain namin, Ethiopian food to, injera. How about this one? This is
This is
lamb.
lamb sheta.
Moton.
Meat with red pepper.
Medyo maasim-asim na, pero okay naman. Umorder din si Onik ng kape. Subukan daw namin yung Ethiopian coffee. Ganito daw yung traditional na lagayan ng kape ng mga Ethiopian. Ewan ko kung bakit ganito. Inaabot kami ng ulan dito, malakas na ulan. Yan, umuulan na. Kasama namin dito sa loob, mga manok, saka mga kambing.
nice weather.
At yan lang po muna sa ngayon mga kabayan. Sana po nagustuhan nyo rin yung video natin ngayon. At sa lahat po ng mga sumusubaybay sa channel natin, maraming salamat po.